Login page appears. Use the default credentials. Typically admin for both username and password, or the ones printed on the device label. After logging in, go to Internet then One Settings. Depending on your provider, you will either receive PO credentials or use DHCP. In this example, we'll configure the ONT with DHCP, and the parameters, including authentication, will be provisioned directly from the ONT. Once applied, a new WAN connection appears with VLAN 20, and the device connects to the Internet. A TR-069 URL is also pushed, allowing us to manage this ONT remotely through GenieACS. Here we can see that the device is online in our ACS. From GenieACS, we'll update the SSID. On ONT the SSID is MiWiFi_C to do, and we will change it to GenieACS. We will press the edit and write the SSID GenieACS. And you can see the change instantly reflected on the ONT Wi-Fi settings.